GNC-RC. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing and we'll go over a couple of things that I did to a couple of the rides. So this particular one, last video I actually had the springs reversed, so it actually kept them up. Took them back loose because it just wasn't running the way I like it to run. Now I have also installed these diff covers on here. Got them on front and back and with the skid also. Gonna be taking it back out tomorrow and do some crawling. Still got a lot to do to this. Not a lot, but we got a few things we gotta do to this. I got some more parts coming in. I've got to put the servo in. Still hadn't decided which one I'm putting it on because they are totally weak. I don't know if I'm gonna stick it on this one or I'm gonna stick it on the Jeep. Really not sure. Also, we have to put the shocks on, which I think I'm gonna do that tonight. This is the Mofo motor for this particular one. This is the forgot the name of it, but he just came out with a new version of it. We got to put that in here. Receiver, and this is a 315 versus the S215 that I normally run. So if I got a new receiver, you guys know why I got a new receiver. We're gonna do an unboxing. I know what one of these are, I just can't remember what the other one also. I do know what both are now. So these are from Mofo. So we got some more stickers in here, of course, I'm sure. So as you can see there, I'm excited about this. I can't wait to build this. I got these parts. These are the sanded version. These already been sanded. All I gotta do is paint it. I already got the paint in mind, and I also have car on the way, so we can transfer everything from there, from this to that. So I don't know when I'm gonna get this done, but hopefully it'll be pretty soon. So everybody know what these are. These are the Trail Kings by Little Guy Racing Parts. These have been very, 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 very popular. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. So these particular wheels are the Power Hobby wheels, and I don't glue mine. You can just pop them right off. I never had any problems. Let's just see if these go on the same way. I'm sure they do. And look at that. Wow, that is so much larger. Now, if I run these on the course, this is just absolutely cheating. I think these came out to be about 51, 52, something like that. I can't really remember. We're gonna call it 51 millimeters. And these, wow. These are about 60, we're gonna call it 62. Check that out, guys. Now I'm sure this will just climb over anything. This is just straight up cheating. You comparison. These are Patagonias, and this wheel is a little bit larger, a little bit wider. I'm sorry, a little bit wider. These are by MT Hobbies. That is just crazy. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you what new parts we got and give you an idea of what new build we have on the way. Till next time, this is GNC-RC.